The state of Punjab, the front runner in bringing the green revolution, has a cropping intensity of 190% against the national average of 136%. The high yields result in large quantities of agro-waste. In the absence of scientific means to deal with the agri-residues, farmers tend to burn them indiscriminately in open fields. The resulting air pollution poses serious health issues. With a view to address this challenge, the state government, with support from the Government of India, has promoted management by providing support for machinery, including Happy Seeder, Super SMS, choppers, and balers to paddy growers.
Punjab State Council for Science and Technology has been developing and promoting cleaner technologies for offering solutions to environmental challenges of the state. We piloted one unit at village Jalalabad, Moga to produce briquettes from paddy straw, and based on the successful trials there, now we have got this first of its kind unit set up in the country, which is in village Kalbarucha, Patiala.
This project is the first of its kind of the scale and magnitude of 100 metric ton per day capacity production utilizing rice paddy straw, parali.
The plant utilizes more than 40,000 tons of paddy straw annually from around 35 villages, making them free from in-situ burning. The plant also engages 50 personnel for briquette manufacturing. The briquettes thus produced reduce the requirement of fossil fuels and are being used as replacement for conventional fuel in industries.
In our endeavor to be more conscious towards the environmental sustainability, PepsiCo has invested into 2 paddy straw driven boilers, wherein we are using the agriculture waste from the local community as fuel to the boilers.
GHG emissions by 70,000 tons per annum is reduced, which is equivalent to sequestration capacity of 36 lakh trees. The farmers, being the key stakeholders, are also being involved in this endeavor through extensive awareness campaigns. It provides them additional revenue through sale of paddy straw and employment generation for 10,000 man-days per season.
With setting up of this briquetting plant, while we will be able to address the environmental issues, and farmers will also be able to get more benefit because they will be able to sell their paddy straw for economic returns.
This novel technological intervention made with support of Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change will contribute immensely to nation's Make in India, Swachh Bharat and Swasth Bharat programs.